Good afternoon, everybody. Craig here. I have updates, lots of updates actually, on the 84. Let me flip it around here and I'll show you. Okay, the front end's on it, which has been on it actually for a couple weeks now. And what I'm working on right now is brakes. So let me get around here, this big old mess. I got the spindles on, got these on. I don't think the last time I showed everybody that this is all in, shocks, all the other emissions stuff. I'm trying to bring this back to originality. Let's see. There's that pieces. Here's the other side. I'm working on brakes, obviously. I was working on the wiring harness. It was missing some stuff, so anyway, it's getting, I've been fixing it, wrapping it, all that good stuff. Anyway, there's that. Still have to put the covers on the steering column. Still got a long ways to go, but today I'm going to get brakes on it, so I got that done. Oh yeah, I have the sway bar put in, and it's looking good. The front tires underneath it. The car sits on a dolly, so that's how I got it delivered to me. Let's see what over here. I have parts, lots of parts. And over here are the brakes. Rock Auto specials. I clear coated them because I was too lazy and I didn't really want to pay them. So let's see over here. I got more tools. We have new brake hoses. Let's see what else do I have here. Let's see. There's the old brakes, and I have parts galore. Just have more parts, more parts. A couple air cleaners, starters over there. Let's see. I'll wander over here and show you what I did to the engine. I did a video of that. Oh, by the way, there's motor mounts. Oh, there's the exhaust manifolds that are going back on it. There's the transmission. And there is the motor. Now, I just set the manifold on it. That's what she's going to look like. I'm hoping to have that done tomorrow. I'll get at least that put together anyway. Yeah. Oh, there she is inside. She's got all kinds of stuff in her. So I will wander it over here. So flip it up here. You might be able to see inside it. You can actually. There it is. It's not the greatest lighting, but she is complete. Took out the bump. Anyway. So I'll be getting back to you guys in a few here. So I'm going to get basically it's just an update. So I'm going to get the brakes put on and I'll get back with you guys. See you later. Bye. Oh. Full battery. It's always nice. Updates. Brakes are done. No, they're not bled, but they're on. We're making progress. Slow but surely. So, there's the... Still gotta put this together. I got some stuff there done. Steering rack's all in. Sway bar's all in. Wiring, I worked on that. I think I showed you in the other video real quick. Here's that. So, here's the other brake. That's cool. Rock Auto's my friend. So, you can probably hear the radio, so I turn that down. I got all this wiring, which I know somewhat where it goes now. So this car's pretty much got all new suspension, literally. When it's all said and done, it's going to be right like new, as if the engine works. I got the cover on here, yeah, right here, and that isn't she beautiful? That, not the red Camaro, the Corvette. Anyway, there's that. There's a little quagmire in there. I put all that together. There's another quagmire. Anyway, she's coming together slowly but surely. Anyway, I just wanted to update you guys, tell you that the brakes are finished. She will be rolling here in the next few weeks. I'm hoping to have the motor in the next few weeks. Look down there, you can see there's all kinds of motor parts back there. I already showed you now, I'm not going to go back and do it again. This cover is fun to put on. It's got little bumps there. She ain't perfect. But she's going to be nice. When it's all done. We even put the sticker on it. Cleaned all that up. There's a lot of unknowns on this car, so I don't know how the electrical system is. I don't know any of this. So I don't even know if the engine runs or the tranny works. So, but anyway, updates. It is getting there slowly but surely. The brakes are finished. I just gotta bleed them, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.